Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to respond to Elizabeth Peyton's artwork. So let's talk about the colouring pencils we're going to use. So thinking about harmonious colours, colours that are similar to each other, that blends well with each other because they're next to each other on the colour wheel. So use those colours to help with your blending technique. Colours that won't really blend that well are colours that are opposite each other on the colour wheel. So for example, red and green. And you can tell straight away they won't blend because they don't look similar. So let's start with the darkest colour. And in this case, I'm starting with the blue. And I'm going to create these hatching marks. So hatching means lines going in similar direction. The only time I change the direction of the lines is when I'm looking at the contour, the shape of his face. So the contour, you're thinking about how can I make it look three-dimensional. So if you think about it, there are curves that's going upwards and curves that's going inwards. So when you're making your hatching lines, make sure you're thinking about, is it going upwards or should it be going downwards? So for example, the forehead on the side of the temple is actually going upwards. So I'm curving my hatching lines in that direction. Whereas on the forehead, it's obviously an area that's quite flat. So I will keep my lines very straight and not so curved itself. So think about areas that needs to be curved or straight when you're looking at parts of the face. So when I'm hatching with different colors, I am trying to show tone. So area that is yellow means that it's showing the highlights, meaning that's the lightest tone. Areas that is really dark tone, then I will tend to use the blues and purples to represent the darker tones. So dark tones mean areas where light can't reach very well. So in that case, you would use the dark colors to show that. I tend to press lightly and use areas that I press hard and then go lightly as I stroke outwards when I'm making the hatching lines, so that you've got this sort of feathered look and textured kind of outcome, similar to how the artist has approached that. In some areas where it shows really dark tone, you can use a biro pen or a black coloring pencils or pencil to represent those very dark areas. And again, using the same technique by hatching your lines. Try not to rush your work. Make sure you're applying control and accuracy. Think about the purposeful marks that you're going to make so it doesn't look like a scribble, but you're purposely trying to show a technique which is hatching as well as blending a range of colors. Okay, so this is just a demo video, so I won't be able to show you a finished look, but hopefully this gives you an idea on how to start. Essentially, you want to just keep looking at the image for reference and for guidance of the direction of the lines it needs to go. Same with the hair. If you look at the direction of the hair that is going, you follow that as well. Look carefully, be observant with your drawing, and aim to make it look three-dimensional by using colors to show tone. Okay?